Computer classification, the classification of computers. Computers are of four types: mini computer, microcomputer, supercomputers, and mainframe computers. We can classify computer according to their data handling capacity and their size and their analog and their storage capacity and their performance and their functionality. So we have to classify the computers to study it well. So we classified them: analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. And digital computers are of four types: main computer, mainframe computers, supercomputer, microcomputers, and mini computers. Now we are going through computer. Computer can be of big size and small, like laptop and mobile. Mobile has a microcontroller, embedded system. Now our topic is supercomputer. We have to read about the supercomputer. Supercomputer storage capacity, performance, and processing. These are very powerful in supercomputers. Storage capacity, performance, processing. They are very special computers, and after big research and scientific purpose for the use of scientists. For example, scientific purpose, they are used. NASA. NASA use computers for launching space shuttles and control them and in discovery of space. The computers need very big space to work them, and these are excessively expensive. So computers were formed. A supercomputer, first supercomputer was formed in 1964. CDC 6600, CDC 6600, CDC 1600 was the first supercomputer in 1964. The supercomputer, the uses of supercomputer, applications of supercomputers. Weather forecasting, the weather. We have to know the forecast of weather. How will be weather today, or the next day, or the next month, or the next year, or in the future. So then, computer is used to forecasting the weather to guess how the weather will be and its future in the any place. The rain and storm, intensity of storm, how will be the intensity of storm as the storm is coming, told by the computers. And so to study the weather, the climate, the storms, computer is necessary. Computer is necessary for the forecasting of weather. Now the earthquake studies. For study the earthquakes, we need computers, especially supercomputers. They tell us from the vibrations about the earthquakes. They are used for natural gas, petroleum, and coal to discover the resources. Supercomputers for earthquakes, for coal, for petroleum, for natural gas, for resources, discovery of resources, natural gas, petroleum, other resources, coal, the and the earthquake. Supercomputers is necessary for the communication. Supercomputers are used for the communications, for devices, for machines, for enhancing the communication, for devices, for machines, and enhancing the communication. The supercomputers are necessary devices. The communication between many devices, the communication between machines, the communication between people, and the communication between devices, machines, and people. To enhance the communication, the computers are necessary. The computers has many other uses for weapon simulation, nuclear weapons, the effects of nuclear weapons, weapon simulation. The weapons, how many types of weapons are there, and they are simulated by the with the help of computer. And nuclear weapons,